real quick. This is the last video for 2019 highlight video. Thank everybody. I'd like to thank everybody for staying and subscribing and being a part of the way. For the highlights from 2019, if you've enjoyed anything you've seen, or if you end up liking this video, I don't know, make sure you subscribe and get ready for 2020, because it's gonna be even crazier, even better videos, even better quality, everything. So once again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in 2020.
It's the classic, it's classical gold art. Urban black spit, black listed Mozart.
Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Me myself, I'm about to get me a new manifold, an intake, new wheels, new badge right here, right there, exhaust out back, give me a wicker bill, make this carbon fiber. Man, it's gonna be crazy. You don't even know. I'm filming on the iPhone. I'm cutting the resonators off the Mustang because I need more loud. I just need more loud. It doesn't. That was a small one? Oh my God. Sheesh. He came ready to race. I see you.
Trust me, that's why I drink about it. They talk it out, but it's all good, so it's too real. Don't think about it.
She took me out of my place.
Man, don't like tires. Them Jones be stinky stink. Don't hit another one. Not about my car. He hot. Hey. You see that shirt? Man, Ryan, his car is the slowest. I don't know why it's so slow. I don't know. Real quick, switch to the racing shoes. Real quick, cause you know what I mean. It's a good night to have to go, bro.
Jermaine's first steps.
Oh,
I ain't gonna stall it. I ain't gonna stall it. I ain't gonna stall it. We gonna go this way.
this recording? Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Oh, alright.
Yo, this is crazy. Oh, he hot. Yeah, bro, do him like I taught you. Do like I told you last time, you'll win. Bro. You got it? Do like I taught you last time, alright? You gonna win the race. Just do what I told you last time. Don't let everybody do that. If he do it, if he lose, he didn't do what I told him last time. Alright, we about to ride ludicrous or insane mode in the Tesla.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
I felt like my brain was in. Bumpers up. That's it. That's all I got for today. Gotta get the picture. Do they work?
Yeah.
See what they look like.
Yep, lined up.
Results right here. Camera's gonna die. Our lower rear control arms onto the 5.0. We got the PMAS cold air intake, our Engage from Lund. Shout out to Lund because they have the best customer service. Delete and tune going on today. You can just hear it like. Oh, it's a cop right there. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Browse the channel for more. Jrgnthestreet. And most importantly, have a nice day.